gr- grate them like this.
Oh, it's not.
Great.
So he's demonstrating.
Then we are going to slice cabbage
Not rabbit, man.
and
Cabbage.
slice the cucumber
Slice.
like this.
This.
And then we are going to dice shallot.
Dice.
Onion also.
Vinegary.
Yes.
Good smell.
Like this.
Oh, what is that?
Garlic.
Garlic and chili.
Together.
Miss.
Oh, so chewy.
Miss.
Garlic.
Second, preparing vegetable. Sorry. Next, third, I make the dressing.
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 I don't even know you know that word.
I put garlic and chili
In what?
in
In
vinegar,
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Yeah.
and some sugar.
Some soup.
Why do you put sugar in it?
Uh,
Because it make your salad a balance between vinegar and many kind of vegetables such as carrot and cabbage.
Okay, sour and acidity.
and pour some fish sauce.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Don't worry about this.
Tina is gonna clean it.
It's Tina.
Let Ismark do his job. You know, fish sauce is so expensive.
Let's give them a prize.
Third, we are mix cabbage and
Going, man. What's going
Sorry.
on, man?
Yes.
Oh, they need a bowl.
we are going to mix carrots, cucumber,
Cucumber.
Carrot, cabbage.
and
All of them.
All of them.
All of
Make another one.
Yes.
Yeah.
All of them. All of them.
Mouth is
And
watering.
then
For you.
It's water.
pour dressing
Dressing over it.
and then mix
Good.
stop.
Mix as well.
Mix.
My mouth is watering.
And then we take in
And we
take
out
out the vanilla juice.
my salad.
Is it already
is-
to eat?
is-
It's already.
So we eat it raw. We eat it raw.
Yes.
And
And then
How about this? How about this? Yeah. And this.
Shallot is fried. Shallot fried.
oil.
Then finally I lay tomato flour and chili.
So good.
You must use.
Problem.
I love a lot of chili's hubs.
Now. And then
And then
can we eat it?
We have done.
oh, I want to try first.
Do you want to try it? I think you should make it by yourself.
No, try it. I can see the. I'm not sure it's really so. Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's it.
I think.
Thank you. Give me.
No.
Give me. No. Give me. Give me try.
That's
And
it.
before we finish, we